How to change font style in group mode on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can change font style in WhatsApp. If you want to change your group's name on WhatsApp to a more customized text, then follow these steps. Now in WhatsApp there's no built-in feature for this option. To change your font style, firstly, you will need to download the text that you want to put as your WhatsApp group name. After you searched and copied for the text you would like to paste on the group name of WhatsApp, copy it and open WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, navigate to the group whose name you would like to change. Now tap on the group's name. If you are adding a new group, then tap on New Group. Once in this interface, select the members of the group. After you selected members, click on Done. Now on the Create Group Name, paste the text that you copied. So by this way, you will be able to change your group name in any font style you like. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.